Hello, Jennifer here, and today we're going to make a roller bottle called Light Blue. This is perfect to use if you've been standing on your feet at a vendor event, just like I am just getting home from, and my feet are tired, so I'm gonna use this roller bottle blend on my feet. You could use it for before and after exercise. This is perfect to rub on your kiddos when they're having growing pains or any discomfort in your body. This is a good roller bottle blend to use. Apply topically onto your skin. It's gonna be pre-diluted, so it's perfect for any family member in your home. So this has deep blue and frankincense. And you can find these roller bottles from your oil tools or aroma tools, and it has a roller top. They also have little funnels that you can use, so you can drop those oils into the roller bottle with no problem at all, because it can be a little tricky getting that oil inside that roller bottle. There's also these little pipettes that are really cool to use, which I love using. And then we're gonna use fractionated coconut oil, and you can get this pump top from doTERRA. doTERRA also sells this tool, and it makes it really easy to use when you're putting the top and pushing that, the top onto the roller bottle. It can really start hurting your thumbs after a while. So anyways, we're going to put 25 drops of deep blue into that roller. There's 25, and then we're gonna do 15 drops of frankincense. Perfect. And then we're gonna top it with some fractionated coconut oil. Okay. And I love this little tool. Saves my thumbs, and all you have to do is just press down. Super simple. And if you don't have this tool, probably standing up is better, just kind of pushing it down. And I have a little gap there that's not all the way closed. And so a really neat trick is just get that top and just kind of twist it on, and it will just close it up all the way down for you. So a little trick. Then just shake it and roll it on the bottoms of your feet or anywhere that you're having discomfort in your body. And you can get some stickers from doTERRA, and they have a couple that are clear, so then you can just mark it light blue if you want. I also like to just use what I have in there, so I will grab a frankincense sticker, and then I will just kind of pop it on there like that, and then I'll get a deep blue sticker, and then that way I know exactly what is in here. So there you go, frankincense and deep blue. So there you have it. Go ahead and have fun making your light blue roller. Have a great day. Bye.